The biggest commercially rafted waterfall in the world. We are just outside of Rotorua today to tackle the Kaituna River with Kaitiake Adventures, and we are going to be going over 3 waterfalls, including the largest commercially rafted waterfall in the entire world. This river moves quick. 36-meter drop over only 2 kilometers means this is a fast, action-packed river with plenty of rapids, 3 waterfalls, including the 7-meter Tutea Falls. I am so pumped. Let's do this.
Oh, tuturi whakamaiwakia Tina! Welcome to the Kaituna. Jump on in, just go yellow, yellow, yellow all the way to the front. Nice. All the way through this section, it's called the chute. Here we go. Alrighty, and forward pedal. Inside. Hold on. Nice and easy. Just holding on, team. A little bit of a knock here. And forward pedal. Hold on. Okay, let's go backward. Woo! Okay, and stop there, get down. Get down. Pedal to the outside, hold that rope, heads down. And stop and forward. Okay, everyone stand up team. Don't fall out, just stand up. Oh no! And stop doing this. I've got a weapon of a crew right here, bro. Yeah. Strong woman, strong man, strong boat. You ready? Paddles up in the middle. Here we go. Pedal. Forward. Get down. Okay. Just to the left. I'm going to cruise on downstream. Bull ride. Legs over, bull riding. Okay. Everyone out. Grab the ring.
Okay. All right.
Watch out. Go. We're never gonna make it.
Oh my God. Okay.
Let's go!
Oh, thanks.
Thank you very much, Sam.
Yeah.
Guys, I have rafted nearly 20 different times, 20 different rafting trips, maybe 9 or 10 different rivers, and I would say this is by far my favorite rafting trip ever. The Kaituna River, incidentally, Kaituna in Maori means food, kai means food, tuna means eel, and this was a traditional fishing river for the indigenous Maori people for eel. So that's how it got its name, the Kaituna. Learned that from our friends at Kaitiake Adventures. Highly recommend them, and Sam is an excellent guide. If you ask for Sam, you will not be disappointed. Super fun. What I really liked about doing it with Kaitiake Adventures was they really explained a lot of the culture surrounding the river, and they did these Maori chants with us, kind of prayers, invocations at the beginning and the middle.
Mai noi tātou, e te awa I keri nei a o kiri tēnā koe. E te whaia, hena rangi tano ki a koe ngā tutuna, tēnā koutou. Mō nā taonga I waihotia mai ki a mātou. A nei ngā manuhiri e tūrangi e tau nei. E te atua ka harawa titiru mai ki a mātou e hui nei. O mai tō kaha, tō wairoa, tō māramatanga mō tēnei mahi a mātou. O tuturu whakamaua ki a tīna! Tīna! Hui e, because
this is a sacred river for the Maori, not only for the fishing of the eels, but they also use this as a burial ground. They would put the bodies of dead warriors in the river, and the eels would actually eat the flesh, and they'd collect the bones. The Maori would collect the bones and put them in containers and lay them on the side of the river. So it's also a burial ground, a cemetery for the Maori as well. Super interesting. And I really like that they respect the culture and they take the time to explain the culture. So it's not only just a heart-pounding adrenaline rush, which at 2 kilometers, it's super quick. You're only in the water, maybe 45 minutes to an hour on the river, but there are no dull moments. Most other rafting trips I've gone on, there's long sections of just calm water where you jump out and swim, maybe have a splash fight. But with this, it's just rapid after rapid, waterfall, rapid, waterfall. And then of course the highlight, the 7-meter Tutea Falls. Oh my God, guys, I cannot recommend this enough. They say when you go over Tutea Falls, you have 3 options. 1, you go over, you stay in the boat, everything works out fine. 2, you get ejected from the boat, which coincidentally happened to Sam, my wife, and Sam, our guide. And 3, the raft flips and everyone ends up swimming. So those 3 options, luckily in our group of rafts, I don't think anybody flipped, but we were pretty close to flipping because we were surfing, and like right before we got spit out of the washing machine at the bottom, I mean, we were surfing for maybe like 20 or 30 seconds, just caught in that turbulent water. And then right before we got spit out, the raft reared up and we almost flipped backwards and dumped everyone out, but didn't happen. What an exhilarating experience. One of the most fun days I have had here in New Zealand. Highly recommend it. Definitely check it out if you get the chance. In the meantime, get out there, find your adventure, and be infamous.
Infamous.